What are you doing in my trunk? You've done this a couple times to me. How you doing, good neighbor? Howdy ho, good neighbor. Today, we're at this undisclosed location. You might know it as Home Depot, and that's how I know it. We've been here before many times, but today we're doing the Price is Right rules. How much is a bandsaw? You see, I've been cutting all thread for... Why does a plane happen to fly right over? Well, back to me. I've been cutting all thread for a long time, since 1988. So every day, back and forth, back and forth. Well, they came out with this bandsaw a few years ago, and everybody has one. So my birthday's coming up, so I'm gonna treat myself to a bandsaw. Or should I say my company is, because they're getting the receipt. So join me as I put you back into the stealth mode. I clip you in right here, and not a lot of people see it. So anyway, it's called content. Now let's get some, shall we? Let's go. Well, it is apparent that this Home Depot is right by an airport. The Oakland International Airport, that is. If that makes it a little more obvious about where I'm at. So the governor just updated the rules that we can live by. So some people are following by the old rules as you look around, but as you can hear the clarity in my voice, I'm going by the governor's new rules. So we're looking for a bandsaw, and we're going, how much is a bandsaw? Remember Price is Right rules, you can't go over. You have to go under the price. So I say a bandsaw is going to be $225. That sounds right. Now we're looking for a bandsaw. These are rigid. We want not Ryobi. We want DeWalt. And this is Milwaukee. And that's a good brand too. But that's not what we want. We want the DeWalt. Now, the question is, will they have a DeWalt band saw? And I'm not seeing, oh, there it is. The DeWalt, and I said $225. Ooh, my goodness, Price is Right rules. $225, and then the price is $249. 20 volt Milwaukee bandsaw. That's what I would like. Now, is this bad boy in stock? And how do you get somebody? And I can see it right there. Look at that. Atomic bandsaw. You read it right there? 1 3/4 inches. So that'll cut 1 3/4 inches. I don't see the bigger one, but that's what I want. So there is a Sawzall. This is called a Sawzall right here. Or some people call it a wireless reciprocating saw. That's easy for me to say. So let's get some help and get a bandsaw, shall we? Let's see how easy to get some help is around here. But they have it, $249 right there. I'm gonna get it. Looks like they got a couple of them. All right. Usually those helpers are right around here lurking. Lurking. I can see plumbers. But I need to get some help. Am I the only one that's not wearing a mask? I don't know. But the governor said no. Yeah, there's one. Okay, let's get some help. There's somebody with an apron on. Looks like he's helping somebody. So probably best bet to do is go this way. I need to get a tool. Please, thank you. Yeah, it's locked up. Thank you. All right, you heard it there. You heard it here first. We're getting a power tool from aisle 14. There I am, power 14, power tools, and he's going to help me. And it doesn't look like anybody has asked me to put a diaper on. Just a whole bunch of people that conform with the law that doesn't even exist anymore. Aha, here is my help. Oh, there he is. Hi, can you help me with the bandsaw? I want to get the DeWalt bandsaw, and it's right there. Please, thank you.
The 249 one?
That's right. Where's the 199? Let's see that. Oh, let's see that little.
I think that's the one that's on the bottom.
Oh no, I want to see the 249 one, please.
I don't think you have the 249 here.
What's that right there?
That one's a 199.
Oh,
The 249 one should have been here. But...
can I see the 199 one real quick?
Yeah.
Let's just see that. That's. I'm looking at the 249 one right here. Or is this the one? Is this the 199 one?
I have to see if it...
Oh, okay.
You go ahead and grab it.
Okay, it's that one right there. Yeah, I think it's that one, huh?
This is the Atomic.
This is the 1 3/4, so this is the 199. So we don't have the 249 one, huh?
Not the 249, yeah.
Is that the Atomic, or is that the big one, or is this the one?
I think this is gonna be that one right there.
Oh, let's see the.
Yeah, this is the 249 one.
That's the 249 one,
Yeah.
and it.
That one's, I think, is bigger. 1 3/4 and this 2.5.
But they all take the same battery, right? Yeah, huh?
Yeah, it's no battery. Yep.
You know what? I'm gonna take it. It's this one.
Okay.
Yeah, 1 3/4. Oh, so this is what I'll take. Thank you for your help. And this one's 199.
199. Yeah.
So on Price is Right rules, 225. I would have went over. Tool only. No charger. No nothing. Hold on a second. Where's the... All right, I'm gonna cut this video just for a quick second. Okay, there you go. I guess these are universal. So I got 3 blades, because these will break on me. So I got 199 plus the 3-inch metal blades. Now this is Price is Right rules. Does that count? I don't know. I don't know. I don't want self-checkout. I want this lady to help check me out. Hi. This one too, right there.
You want the extended warranty for this?
No, thank you. Thank you. $249.50.
Just take out your card and then reach on it.
This-
Okay.
Thank you for that.
Thank you.
All right, I appreciate that. All right, there you go. $149 for a brand new bandsaw and 3 blades. And as I look around, Yeah. Everybody and their brother is still wearing a diaper. So my buddy Adam Carolla says that we are crate training our kids like a dog. We are crate training our society to, well, I don't know. Enough of me, enough of you. I'll unclip you now because I'm home free. Well, there you go. One dusty bandsaw blades. One dusty old bandsaw. Well, as I'll utilize this cart right here, do the old balancing act, and I'll put you right there. Watch this. Bam, look at that, look at that. Professional. Well, as always, I want to thank you again for coming along with me on these getting rid of the hacksaw and enjoying a bandsaw, electric, cordless. What a concept. All thread, you won't get the best of me tomorrow. Well, as always, I want to thank you again for coming along with me on these bandsaw adventures. You know the drill. Peace, love, and all that hippie jazz. What's that noise?